హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, మనం రూటెక్స్ ఏఐ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం.
Hi, we are from Routex, and we have AI agents which can be deployed for business. And these agents are autonomous agents, intelligent agents, and they can do certain tasks like automatically doing collections for a business and creating very intelligent reports and insights from business data. So these agents will work in the background and automatically take decision on behalf of a business and do certain intelligent work, initiate workflow. So this is what we do. We have this platform based on artificial intelligence.